20 minutes.
20? No, 20.
Сколько времени? На часах сколько времени? На ваших часах?
Это без 5 время. 20 минут на студенческий доклад. На первый цикл студенческий.
10 минут.
А?
How many?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay. Go ahead. Let's say that I have alpha particle. I have a script. Muon, I already spoke about muon. Okay. Alpha beta discrimination. Okay. If you have alpha and beta in the same scintillator, the pulse shape, this is the light pulse you have, once converted to electron signal, you have a different for what concerns alpha and beta. This is because alpha, at, I am saying if you deposit the same amount of energy with a very heavy particle as alpha particle is and a light particle as beta is, you have a different impulses and you can discriminate between. So even if you have a lot of alpha particle, 6,000 I said before, you can eliminate this one. Okay? So the position of construction, okay. Okay. I skip all this. But why also here? I'm not able to see. On mine. Can I probably have to stop here and maybe tomorrow have 10 minutes to show the results? Simply checking before that everything is okay.
Okay.
Because it's this is actually the results.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Questions, please. Questions after results.
Yeah, so I still have one question. The fact that you assume that you require the contribution from this dangerous nuclei is 10 to the minus 16 grams per gram. Then you measure it and you found it to be
lower
by a factor of 30.
Yeah.
What does it mean? That the original calculation was wrong?
We are very happy.
Yeah, you are happy, but
no, it depends on
it should be
you know, the fact that you have to measure this such a low amount. You have also to imply different techniques. The contest facility was really in order to detect. So there are a lot of different things that can happen. And when we say this minus 16, it was a claim, but it was simply to say, okay, we have to reach this level, but it's not the last step we can get. I mean, this is the minimum we have to attend. If we can go farther, it's better.
Yeah, but
so you are sure that the experiment goes well, the detectors work well, and there are no problems with them?
Yes, I will show the result tomorrow.
Perhaps something could be escape detection, so that's why you see so.
No,
just forget it.
You can. The fact that you count that the amount of thorium is 8.5 plus or minus 1.5 10 to minus 18 microgram. It's a fact. It's not an efficiency of the detector itself.
No, of course. Thank you. Sorry.
no, but on the other hand, you said that you have a purification procedure which consists of 5 times
Yes, distillation,
etc., etc.
Okay.
So I assume that at each stage you assumed something, that at first distillation you kill out 90%, then you kill out 9%, then
for example, in order to remove uranium and thorium, I mentioned before these kind of techniques. For example, what does it mean? Here, water reflection. What is it? Okay. You know that water is a polar molecule. molecules, while PC is not solvent. So uranium and thorium are metallics.
Do they count in the
like.
same way as they
So
count
if
all
you
the other
put
liquids?
water inside PC, you can capture uranium and thorium, like I don't remember the name.
I tried to ask
I mean,
whether
don't
there
remember.
could be some problems
You,
with just
Andrea?
the very detection.
Andrea, do you know the name of calamita? What is the
Calamita, magnet.
magnet? If you put a magnet inside, I don't know if you have some sort of sand, you have a metallic ball inside, if you put magnet and you you remove the metallics. What the expression is working this way. You have to obtain high purity water, and we have a plan in order to produce high quality water. And we go through this water, but you know, say how many uranium and thorium we are able to remove depending.
But it would be really great if you maybe could say us that it turns out that a step, I don't know, water extraction was better than we assumed by some reason, or some
No,
other
for
step.
example, the water plant was constructed at minimum 4 times. Every time it change, every time we update, and when we said, okay, we are able to reach 10 to minus 16 was in late 1988. Now we are able to reach for different reasons.
No, okay, okay. but-
Also the distillation.
Okay.
The distillation we made in CTF was not the same that was made for Borexino. So what we say to the agency is if we are able, and we have proved that we are able to reach 10 to minus 16, it's okay.
Mhm.
If we are able to go further, it's better. Simple.
Okay.
More
So-
questions? Okay, thank you.
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow.